We raised over $18,000.
Today, desperate Americans seek cures for crushing medical bills in churches.
And I want to say thank you. I don't want to cry, but...
Online fundraisers, medical campaigns, the #1 category on GoFundMe, and viral videos.
All you have to do is ask for an itemized bill with every charge.
Despite a strong economy, medical costs are rising faster than incomes, pushing Americans to extremes. A study last year found medical bills led to nearly 60% of individual bankruptcies.
If you're facing an illness with a huge medical bill, you get creative.
Dr. David Blumenthal heads the Commonwealth Fund, a foundation dedicated to improving the economics of healthcare, and that, he says, means lowering costs.
Is it a question of people not being insured, or is it a question of people being underinsured?
It's both. 30 million Americans still lack health insurance, and many, many millions of others have insurance that is not adequate to protect them against the cost of care.
Troy Bowers says his 12th ankle surgery in 6 years pushed his family to the brink of bankruptcy.
We still carry a burden from past surgeries that we're still working on that debt.
Desperate to relieve the pain, but unable to afford it even with insurance, Bowers chose Dr. Demetrio Aguilar's unique program, giving patients the option to pay cash, finance the surgery, or pay it off in volunteer hours at charities in Norfolk, Nebraska.
It's a great opportunity for patients to be able to get care that they need that they otherwise wouldn't be able to afford.
Bowers signed up for 400 volunteer hours.
So these are all bags.
Jeff Jensen has friends and strangers helping cover his 560 hours instead of a $12,000 bill.
I would have had to take out the equivalent of a car loan to do it.
I've had a number of patients that have said to me, thank you for allowing me the dignity of being able to help take care of myself.
Doctors and patients finding new ways to afford better health without being buried in bills. Ann Thompson, NBC News, New York.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here, and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.